Ladies and gentlemen, you are about to witness a demonstration of the multi-million-pound mechanical marvel known as Titan the Robot. For anyone that has not seen this demonstration before, we must ask for everybody to listen to a few safety announcements before we begin. For this, I will need the assistance of our demonstrator for the day, Dave. Say hi, Dave. Dave will now show the correct safety distance required by making himself known. Don't milk it, Dave. Everybody must be stood at least this far away. Yes, that means you too, sir. Also, because of the nature of the demonstration, and for your own safety, everybody must stand up and remain standing throughout the show. In the case of an emergency, Dave will now show you the nearest exits, located here, here, and in this direction. In the event of any little accidents, please be aware of the nearest toilet located over there. Flash photography is permitted, although this has been known to cause temporary blindness and confusion to Titan's navigational systems. You have been warned. If everybody is ready, Dave will now begin the demonstration.
Since the dawn of time, one robot had a vision to change the face of live entertainment as we know it. Armed with only his sidekick, Dave, and his own determination, his mission is to defy all odds and make even the grumpiest person in this audience crack a smile. There's only one robot on this planet capable of this job. It's a race against time. Will he complete his mission? Ladies and gentlemen, I give to you Titan the Robot.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Titan the Robot! Are you ready to rock? Let me hear ya! Game is on and Titan's here. There's nothing else for you to fear. Wave your arms, come over here, now scream! Here's my ideology, mechanical technology. Join in my robotology, might be it. There's always something cool to read. Titan's armies on the march, oh yeah! I'll be your cyber hero. I think using 1 and 0. I'm using cards and compressed air. Let me entertain you. Titan the Robot in your face!
Star Command, Titan the Robot. Mission log, Stargate 4703. Just landed at this strange planet. Inhabitants appear friendly, but there seems to be no sign of intelligent life anywhere.
Well, hello, you lovely people! Isn't it great to be here? I hope you're all tweeting, Snapchatting, Instagramming, and Facebooking my beautiful face using hashtag TechExpoHumber. Excuse me, sir, but would you mind taking your hands out of your pockets? I'm providing the entertainment around here, not you.
Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too.
Hey, you! What the heck are you staring at? Huh? Yeah! Oh! I detect a camera. That's right, you there. I detect your camera, and I'm loving it. Okay, here we go. 3.